Welcome everyone back to another quick tutorial. Today we will begin our CSS segment as HTML, JavaScript, and CSS are major parts of making websites. CSS is the styling process that is used to change how elements in the HTML web page look visually. First, I have created here a separate file dedicated only to CSS named style.css. To link this file to HTML, you have to add this line to the head of the file which says link rel equal stylesheet, and href equal my file name. Now, to begin styling your elements, you will need to use selectors. Selectors target certain parts of your HTML code and apply specified attributes to those elements. So in my file I have a h1 tag. Now if I go to my other file and write first the element name which is h1, and then open and closing curly braces, I can now add whatever attributes I want to apply to my h1 tag here. For example, if I want the color of the text to be blue, I will have an attribute name which is color and then colon and then the color which is blue. Now if I save and run this, you will see the tag change to blue. Now you can see that I have two paragraph tags. If I wrote just P as my selector, the attribute will be applied to all P elements in my web page. As you can see, both changed to blue. Now I also have 3 div elements, but I don't want them all to be the same. In this case I will need to add class or ID names to my elements. If I have multiple elements that I want to have the same attributes, like my first 2 divs, you will need to use a class name. Here my class name is div1. Now to have div1 as a selector, since it is a class name, you will need to add a dot before the class name like this. Now the attribute I added will be applied to the elements with the same class name. And, as you can see, 2 of my 3 divs were affected. For ID, only one element can have the same ID, and to use it as a selector you need the hashtag symbol. So my ID here is div2. So when I do hashtag div2 and change the color, as you can see my third div is the one that changed. CSS selectors are extremely crucial when styling a web page, and make sure to know it well. That's all for today and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep learning even if it is a few minutes a day.